Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Today we have with us a British cruiser, the Triumph Street Twin. If you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out notification from Rev Explorers. We are also present on Instagram. Our handle will be right over here, so if you have any doubts or any queries, you can directly reach out to us on our page. Now let's begin with the review of the Street Twin BS6. The Street Twin has got minor tweaks as compared to its predecessor. Rest of it is still the same. So you have this big round halogen headlamp in the front with oval halogen turn indicators to give it a retro cruiser look. It gets 41mm cartridge forks and then is a 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheel in the front with a 100/90 section tire mounted on it. And in the rear are twin shock absorbers with preload adjustment for a comfortable ride. At the rear is a 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheel with a 150/70 section radial tire mounted on it. For safety, the Street Twin is equipped with dual channel ABS comprising of 310mm floating disc brake in the front with Brembo calipers and a 255mm disc in the rear with Nissan calipers. The Triumph Street Twin has this retro cruiser look which looks really gorgeous, and it is available in two different variants with three different colors to choose from. It gets a 12-liter fuel tank with an offset lid. The motorcycle offers a fuel efficiency of 24 kmpl and is powered by a 900cc parallel twin SOHC engine. The engine is liquid cooled and is mated with a 5-speed gearbox. The maximum power generated by this engine is 65 PS at 7500 rpm and the peak torque is 80 Nm at 3800 rpm. So a low-end torquey motor. The complete bike weighs 216 kgs, which is decent considering it is a 900cc cruiser. The Street Twin gets a single seat which is very well padded and feels very comfortable. And then it gets matte finished twin mufflers. Let's check out how it sounds and does it have the thump. At the tail end is a retro looking LED tail light with bulb turn indicators. Now let's quickly hop onto the saddle. The saddle is very comfortable for the rider as well as the pillion. The saddle height is 765mm. I am 5'9", I can easily get both of my feet on the ground, and if you are above 5'2", you can easily ride this motorcycle. The round semi-digital instrument cluster is very basic, holding a big analog speedometer with a small digital screen in the bottom. The screen displays information like fuel gauge, fuel efficiency, distance to empty, time, odometer, trip meters, digital tachometer, and an option to enable and disable traction control. It also displays the ride mode you are in. So currently we are in road mode. With that, we have multiple indicator lamps in and around the cluster like the EFI malfunction, ABS malfunction, neutral, high beam and turn indicators. On the right side of the handlebar is a kill switch integrated with the self-start switch, and then there is this hazard light switch. This motorcycle also gets adjustable brake lever and an adjustable clutch lever. With that, on the left side is pass switch integrated with headlight control, information switch for controlling the cluster, turn indicator switch, mode switch for changing the ride modes, and the horn. So it is a very loud single tone horn. These round rear view mirrors complement the cruiser design of the Street Twin, and they are good enough for your city use as well as highway cruising. Now it's time for us to take the Street Twin on the city roads of Pune and see how it performs. And before you go on a ride, don't forget to wear your helmet and follow all road safety rules. The comfort on the Street Twin is phenomenal with this single seat and softly sprung suspension setup. The seating posture is straight with slightly rear set foot pegs and wide handlebar. There is ample room on the seat for the rider as well as the pillion. Just like other classic cruisers, this one also has a very punchy motor. The bike pulls really well even when riding at low speeds on high gears. There is no stalling. The gearing ratio is tall and shifts with a click. However, the clutch travel is slightly on a longer side. The clutch is light and makes the shift easy. The low end torque is almost instantaneously available and the bike pulls really well through the mid-range. But because of its 900cc parallel twin, the motorcycle can easily attain higher speeds despite the fact that this is a heavy motorcycle. Vibrations can be felt when the bike is pulled across the 5000 mark, but it is bound to happen because of all the thump and roar this motorcycle has when you open the throttle. In fact, vibrations are something I have felt on all the classic motorcycles, which makes it obvious that you should not push it to the edge because it is a pleasure ride motorcycle. The heat management system is good. It keeps the motorcycle cool. However, in doing so, all the heat is diverted to your legs, especially when you have a 900cc parallel twin between them. This heating can get annoying in bumper to bumper traffic. To stop this high-speed heavy cruiser, a good braking system is required, and Triumph has got us covered with the Brembo 4-piston fixed axle caliper in the front and Nissin 2-piston floating caliper in the rear. With that, it has dual-channel ABS with traction control to further increase the safety and efficiency. The stopping power is good, however both the brakes are slightly low on feedback, but the good thing is that the ABS won't intrude unless required. The suspension setup is laid on a softer side for a comfortable ride, even on bad roads. And all this happens without compromising the handling characteristics. The motorcycle is so agile and easy to flick with just your wrist, making the control over the bike even more superior. Sharper bumps at high speed can still be felt. However, the rest rough patches are ironed out while riding the street twin. This motorcycle is a good cruiser. It has the right recipe with big and torquey engine, tall gearing ratio and a comfortable saddle. The only thing on this motorcycle I would like to update is the instrument cluster. It's good but misses out on all the current features. Hence, to justify the price tag of the street twin even better, it should get a similar instrument cluster from the Trident. Our ride with the street twin has come to an end. Now, as you all might know, I'm not really a fan of cruisers, but this one is smooth enough and it has that thump that you all cruiser lover need. So if you like this street twin, you can get it too, starting from 7.95 lakhs going all the way up to 8.25 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. Special thanks to Triumph Bhandari for providing us this bike for the review. If you are interested in Triumph products and you are in Pune, you can visit their dealership for the best offers. And don't worry, because they're keeping your safety in check and following all the guidelines issued by the government. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out great content from Rev Explorers. You can go ahead and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and ride safe. Bye bye.